Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add presets inside BandLab. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so for this demonstration, I'm just going to go ahead and click on add a track. We can add any track that we like, but for this one, I'm just going to do voice and audio. Now from here, if we scroll down, look at the bottom, we got auto, pitch, effects, and editor. Go ahead and click on to add effects or effects. Then it will say presets and it will say none. Click on the drop down next to none. And then from here, we've got a whole range of different presets we can choose from. So we can choose from recommended, trending, from our artists, vocals, enhance, etc. etc. So if you like anyone or the one that you want to click onto, just add that like so. And then you can see this will appear like on the bottom of the page, and then we can play around with all the different options down below. Then once you've done that, go ahead and record, and then you're going to have your presets into your track as well once you record.